how to find video notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First go to Facebook Lite and you just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down, you will find settings, and then click this one here, notifications, and go down until you find here video. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage video notifications settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.